This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the McCrispy cheese bacon from McDonald's. This is a part of the Mit Meckes die Welt item lineup that McDonald's has here in Germany at the moment, and the McCrispy cheese bacon is supposed to represent Portugal. I didn't know that Portugal was about cheese and bacon, but apparently it is to McDonald's. They made some other stuff that was not really sounding too sound to me with other items of this particular Mit Meckes die Welt with McDonald's around the world lineup. So I'm not too surprised by this particular one right here. I bought two of these for 13 euros without the menu, just the McCrispies. So without further ado, I think it is finally time to not end this particular video, but to open up the package. I haven't taken a look at the package, well, at the inside of the package before, so we are doing this together right now. I am surprised by the bun. It is shiny, it is smooth, I thought the cup would be like in the center of it. It's not. It's smooth and rough at the same time. We've got a single sesame seed right there. Here we've got the chicken patty. We have got the bacon here, some cheese, and maybe that's already it. Let's see. Let's disassemble it slightly. Yeah, it seems to be already it. Just cheese, bacon, and a crispy patty. And that is all that there is to it. Let us take the knife and slice this through. See what it looks like when we look at it in the cross section. Looks alright. Pretty decent chicken piece that we have here. The bacon looks decent here too, and so does the cheese sauce. I think without further ado, I should just take a bite out of this one. Or maybe it's not the cheese sauce, it's actually just cheese, I don't know. I have to say, maybe you can hear it with me biting on it and with me just tearing it off here. The crispiness of the McCrispy is something very pleasant indeed. Bite-wise, I'm also happy with it. The cheese sauce is actually fantastic. It reminds me of these Italian like meat sandwiches that you can get. No, it's really good. Man, I like this. No, I dropped the bacon piece. Just on the pants, I can eat that still. And I've done so. And the bacon piece has got a very nice aroma to it. Isn't too soft, it's quite thin, but it's alright. Flavor-wise, very rich. Let's see if we can take a bite of the bun. Just the bun. I think it was like a potato bun or whatever. Maybe I've misread that though. But it is in my mind, this potato bun thing, in conjunction with this. I didn't really plan on getting this today. I wanted to check out the Burger King Naruto burger, but I didn't want to get it because you could only get it in the menu. So I just left and I went for the McDonald's McCrispy cheese bacon instead. So I think this has been a good decision though. Now flavor-wise, this is really nice. Cheese sauce. It's nice and spicy. It's like this sandwich cheese that's a bit more hearty. The patty is good too. Let's try to taste just the patty. Well, the chicken piece on its own. No, nice and crispy. Bun, good. Chicken piece, really nice with the breading on it. Bacon, very nice and flavorful. Cheese, very nice and flavorful as well. I don't have anything to complain about it as of right now. So I think I'm going to finish this off, and I'll see you with the review sheet in just a second. Alright, the consumption process is complete and we are ready to rate this with the review sheet. First impression wise, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point. I did like the looks of it. I maybe could give a 0.75 or a 0.5 if I was a bit, well, harsh on this. But I have to say, like, judging from the carton that it was sitting in and how it was positioned there, everything all together, I think it wasn't too bad. I think it was quite alright. It was probably the best that they can do with what they had. So unless this would be in a different, like, package, in a different carton, this is as good as it gets, probably, for fast food, for takeaway. So 1 out of 1 available point. Color-wise, also nothing to complain about. The bun looked good, as it should. So did the bacon, so did the actual chicken piece, the cheese, everything looked as it should. Therefore, full points there too. Consistency and texture-wise, I'm giving 2 out of 2 available points because everything was alright. The bacon maybe could have been crunchier or a bit thicker. That's the only thing I can really complain about. But for what it was fantastic, flavor-wise, certainly. And the consistency, also not too bad. I could also deduct half a point for that, but I'm not. I'm happy with it as it is. And the crispy chicken, the McCrispy cheese bacon chicken piece, that was fantastic. Just as I would have expected it to be. Also could have been a bit more crunchy, I suppose, but it was sitting in a bag for 10-15 minutes, so I cannot fault it too much for that. Taste-wise, I'm giving 5 out of 5 available points because there is nothing that I would change. The cheese sauce was fantastic. The cheese itself, yeah, okay, that could have been a bit more prominent in flavor, maybe, but all of the rest was good, fantastic too. The bacon was tasting really good. The bun was okay too. I don't have anything really to complain about. If we keep in mind that this is fast food, while it could be cheaper, this is probably as good as it gets around here. So full points, therefore. I really loved that cheese sauce in conjunction with the chicken and this crunchy breading. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Thematisation-wise, I'm giving it a 1 out of 1 available point because they were quite close to what they were saying that they were supplying us with. And while I don't really know why this is so typically Portuguese, I still think it's quite alright. And surprisingly, well, it of course didn't look like it did on the images on the website, but it was not too far from it, not far enough to deduct any points. Therefore, in total, we have a 10 out of 10 for the McDonald's McCrispy cheese bacon as a part of the Mit Meckes die Welt with McDonald's around the world lineup. And that is it. Yeah, 10 out of 10 item, truly enjoyable. There has been another voting coming in as well from a girlfriend. She also had this one, we bought 2, and she really liked it too. So 2 people really liking this, and me even giving it a 10 out of 10. I think this is maybe a reason, if you were thinking about trying this out, to give this a go, because I think it's really good. This like cheese sauce that they put here, that cheddar flavor, that was fantastic. I didn't know it needed that, but it works surprisingly well with it, and I wouldn't change a thing about it. Maybe I would get 2 for myself next time. But that's already it. Okay, if you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.